This right here is a regular supplies box, but when I get hungry, I just do this and I will not starve in class anymore. I have hot Cheetos, M&Ms, and some Pop-Tarts. This right here is a regular book, except that now I won't be hungry in class anymore. This might look like just a stack of CDs, but inside I've hidden some candy so I won't be hungry in class anymore. These giant pens are great to have. Not only can you take out their guts and still make them function, but you can also hide snacks in there such as Slim Jims or M&Ms. For more cool hacks, don't forget to follow me. Here's a great way to eat chips in class. Open up a bag of chips and tape it underneath your desk. You'll be eating chips all day. For more hacks, don't forget to follow me. So this looks like a regular stack of sticky notes, but if we lift one up, we have our hidden candy. The process is pretty easy, and you can get away with eating candy all day without being seen. You wouldn't think so, but there's a juice pouch inside this glue bottle. It's easy to put in there, and you can take sips while in class and no one will know. Follow me for more hacks. Sometimes I eat my Lunchables in sections. I just cut out compartments separately. This is what I call portion control. Follow me for more. Check this out. By undoing this box of cookies and reassembling it inside out with clear tape, I can disguise it as a pencil box and I can get away with having my cookies out during class. Follow me for more hacks.